Did you know that fennel seeds have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of fennel seeds and why they could be the digestive tonic you've been looking for. Many people struggle with digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Finding a natural solution can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Let's explore how fennel seeds can help soothe digestive discomfort, reduce bloating, and improve overall digestion. We'll also discuss the nutrients packed in these tiny seeds. The key moment is when we uncover how the compounds in fennel seeds can relax the muscles in your digestive tract, promoting smoother digestion and reducing discomfort. In summary, fennel seeds are a powerhouse of digestive health benefits that have been treasured for generations. Adding them to your daily routine could make a significant difference in how you feel. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and natural remedies.